What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Magic Kingdom, and today we're going to be doing our first ever Tron roller coaster construction update. Hopefully there's some exciting stuff to see. Let's go check it out. Normally we start our day by going over here to the monorail from Magic Kingdom, but we're going to be doing the resort hotel because we're going to go over to the Contemporary to get a better view of everything.
The ones that have the generic red ones, the ones that issue about
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA, gateway to the 16 lands of the Magic Kingdom.
Alright, so we've made our way to the top of the Contemporary, and we're getting our first view of the Tron roller coaster construction site. And we can see it just to the right of Space Mountain there. Alright, so a much closer view now, and we can see a lot of groundwork is going on. And they're prepping the site for electrical, plumbing, and the likes. And very soon we're going to have some footings go into place. And it won't be too long, a couple months maybe, we might see some supports and roller coaster track. And in this up-close view, we can see a tower crane base just to the left there. So very soon, that's going to be rising over the site. And just like we've covered with other projects before, we have barriers in the water, and that's to keep the sediment out, so the water stays nice and clean. Some of the pipes that are going to be used for irrigation, sewage, and the likes. Something is going on just to the left of Space Mountain here. We can see equipment and sediment barriers right there in the water, and some groundwork. I'm actually not sure what's going on here, so if you guys can help me out, let me know in the comments. And just to the left of what we just showed you, there's more groundwork over here. And there are tons of markers all over this site. Just look at all those little flags. Hello, Epcot and Guardians of the Galaxy. From really far away, we can see that show building with the rise into it and some of the track peeking up just above the tree line. And that's just about going to do it from the top of the Contemporary. Let's head inside the Magic Kingdom now and hopefully see some different views. Well, that was kind of nice actually. We did the walkway from the Contemporary towards Magic Kingdom. I've never done that before. It's a beautiful day, somewhere in the 70s right now. No wait to get through security or the front entrance, and we're on our way. Ta-da! Main Street, USA, and I'm seeing right here we still have Christmas decorations around. Those will probably be removed very shortly. Tomorrowland Speedway, currently closed for the Tron roller coaster construction project. They've been tearing up the track as they need to get access to the big equipment. And here's the entrance to Tomorrowland Speedway. Again, it's going to be closed for quite a while as they're working on Tron. The Walt Disney World Railroad is also closed while they work on Tron.
There are only 2 passengers for each seat. Child mount to 5 adults, and please prepare your luggage before boarding. Thank you, and please be sure to leave your bags.
I wonder what they're building there.
And our chariot has arrived. that just beautiful? We have Cinderella's castle still decked out with all of the lights. Love it.
Did he see you?
One day. One day. Man can dream, right? Time now to enjoy ourselves, considering the Tron roller coaster construction update portion of our video is done. Let's go catch a ride.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Yep, our chariot has arrived.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Well, I gotta say, I'm pretty tired, so I think we're gonna be leaving the park right now, but I do want to point out that the castle again looks phenomenal, and I can't wait to see it later this year when it returns. But that'll do it for Magic Kingdom, at least. Well guys, that is going to do it for our video for the Tron roller coaster, and I am very happy to say we have some groundwork, electrical, and plumbing starting. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.